When you're working with ladders or pruning or trimming big hedges and trees, the team at SP Energy Networks has some advice for you. Look out and look up for any overhead power lines before you get started. If you're carrying ladders, keep them at a low level and horizontal. This helps you keep a safe distance from any overhead lines. Never take on tree cutting work near overhead power lines. Contact SP Energy Networks or your local network operator right away and let the experts handle it. Any tree cutting work done by SP Energy Networks will be free of charge. If anything does go wrong, contact SP Energy Networks or your network operator on 105. And if anyone is injured, please call 999 immediately for medical assistance.